Good morning, friends. Myself Dasagari. You're watching Seema Tech Straight to Tech. Good morning, guys. Today is our last video of the week and also the fifth video. If you are watching for the first time, do watch, like, share, and subscribe to Seema Tech Straight to Tech. Let's get into the video. First news is coming from Sony. Sony has launched most awaiting PlayStation 5 on June 11th. As you can see, the design is totally different from previous PlayStation 4. It is in vertical shape, but you can also use it in horizontal way also. There are two versions of PlayStation 5, one standard and one digital. The digital version don't need any CDs and also you don't have to download games to play in it. You should have a highly internet access. The standard version has a CD drive and also you have to download games to play in it. Sony has also launched a specially made headset and also a remote for the PlayStation 5. Sony has also launched a new controller which has some futuristic design and also very powerful. If we talk about prices, Sony didn't reveal any prices, but the leaks are coming that the standard version will be at $550 and the digital version will be pricing at $500. The next news is coming from Moto. Moto is about to launch Moto One Fusion Plus. If you see the design, it is coming with a pop-up camera and has a very unique design. Let's talk about the specs. It is coming with a 6.5-inch IPS LCD screen and also it has a very powerful processor, Snapdragon 730G. If you look at the camera setup, it has a 64MP quad camera setup on the rear side with a 64MP primary sensor, 8MP ultra wide, 5MP macro and 2MP depth sensor. And the pop-up camera has a 16MP camera to it. If you look at the battery capacity, it has a 5000 mAh battery with a 15-watt fast charging. Rumors are coming that it is going to be pricing at 15 to 20k. That means it is going to be a big competitor for Poco X2 and Realme X2. Next news is coming from Asus. Asus ROG3 has been certified in ECC in Taiwan. That means it is going to be launched in Taiwan very soon. Rumors are coming that it is going to be launched in July in India. Next news is coming from Realme. Realme has recently launched its smart TVs with a size of 32 and 43 inches. Now they are planning to launch a 55-inch very soon. Next news is also from Realme. Rumors are coming that Realme X3 Super Zoom will be launched in India on June 26th. We all know the specifications that it is coming with a Snapdragon 855 processor. If we talk about the prices, rumors are coming that it is going to be pricing at 25 to 30k. We don't know the exact prices until the phone get launched. Let's wait for the launch and know the prices. Next news is also from Realme. A new Realme smartphone with codename of RMX2185 which has gone through NBTC certification in Malaysia. In certification, they also mentioned the name of the smartphone as Realme C11 or you can call it as Realme C11. We don't know what type of smartphone it is until it gets launched. The next news is also from Realme. Realme said that they are going to be the first company to give Android 11 in their smartphones in Realme X50 Pro. They also mentioned that Android 11 Beta 1 will be in X50 Pro in July. If Realme is giving Android 11, then why will Xiaomi stops? They also said they are going to give Android 11 in Mi 10, Mi 10 Pro, Poco F2 Pro. These two companies are just talking about giving Android 11. But OnePlus said if anyone want to try out Android 11 beta, then go and download it by applying to their forums. Next news is coming from OnePlus. As I said before, OnePlus is going to launch their first ever TWS along with OnePlus Z on July 10th. Rumors are coming that they are going to be named as OnePlus Pods. We don't know the pricing yet. Let's wait for the launch. The next news is coming from OnePlus. OnePlus 8 series is going for their first sale on Amazon on June 15th. The next news is that OnePlus is working on a 65-watt fast charging technology which will be coming in OnePlus 80 and OnePlus 80 Pro. The next news is coming from Samsung. A new Samsung Galaxy M51 is spotted on Geekbench. It has a Snapdragon processor which is very good when compared to Exynos processor. and also it has a 6.5-inch AMOLED display. We don't know the launch date. I'll give the information about the smartphone once it gets launched. The next news is from Lenovo. Lenovo is going to launch its Legion gaming smartphone in the month of July. It is going to be launched with a Snapdragon 865 processor and also 90-watt fast charging. It has a side mounted pop-up camera which is very unique. The last news is from Xiaomi. Xiaomi is working on a 120-watt fast charger. The video shows the 120-watt fast charger that Xiaomi is working on. This is the end of our tech news. If you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe. You are watching Simo Tech, Straight to Tech. Myself Dastagiri, signing off.